Hey YouTubers, hope you'll be fine there. Today's video is special for you all. Today I'll show you how can you download any Windows operating system for free. So get together and let's enjoy. Open any of your browser there and search getintopc.com. Now you can open the first website. This site is blessing for us. Here we can find any paid or premium software and download the cracked version of it with serial or activation key. Here is a search option. Now let's search the operating system you wanted to download. I will search here Windows 10 for an example. Here you'll get all the versions and mod of those operating system. Oh, its modified version of ROG means Republic of Gamers. This version is only officially released for Asus ROG devices. I like it. So let's download this one. It is already having Microsoft softwares in it. Let's view the specifications. If you don't know how to download, then follow my steps. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. Please make sure to hit like button because it means a lot to me. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.